Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to fix broken or dashed lines not showing in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. One of the most common problems in Autocad is when you choose a dashed or broken line type, but instead of seeing the dashes, the line appears completely solid. This usually happens because of the line type scale settings, but thankfully, the fix is very simple. Right now, I have a dashed line already applied in my drawing, but as you can see, it still looks like one continuous line instead of separate dashes. The reason this happens is because the line type scale is either too large or too small for the current drawing size. When the scale is incorrect, Autocad cannot properly display the gaps between the dashes. To fix this, first select the line that is having the problem. Make sure the line is highlighted before moving to the next step. Now go down to the command line at the bottom of Autocad. This is where we'll enter the command that controls line type scale. Type LT scale and then press enter. This command allows you to adjust how dashed and broken lines appear in your drawing. After pressing enter, Autocad will ask you to type a new scale value. This is where you'll test different numbers until the dashed line becomes visible. Start by typing a simple value like 1 and press enter again. Sometimes this alone fixes the issue immediately. If the lines still appear solid, try another value such as 0.5 or 10, depending on your drawing scale. Smaller drawings may need smaller values, while larger drawings may require bigger values. Every time you enter a new value, Autocad automatically updates the appearance of the line. Watch the line carefully after each adjustment to see if the dashes become visible. In some cases, the dashes may appear too small or too crowded together. If that happens, continue adjusting the scale little by little until the line looks clean and readable. Another useful thing to know is that every Autocad project can behave differently. The perfect line type scale for one drawing may not work well in another drawing. That's why experimenting with different values is completely normal. Don't be afraid to test multiple numbers until you find the best result for your project. Once the dashed line finally displays correctly, your drawing becomes much easier to read and more professional looking. Proper line types are extremely important in architectural, engineering, and technical drawings. This small adjustment can save you a lot of frustration, especially when preparing drawings for printing or sharing with clients and coworkers. So anytime your dashed lines stop showing correctly, just remember the LT scale command. It's one of the quickest and most useful fixes in Autocad. And that's basically it. You now know how to fix broken or dashed lines not showing in Autocad quickly and easily. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.